Nicole Fabio.
I am Karil B. Bakay.
I am Maria Lee Baga.
I'm Jean Claire Ballesteros.
I am Lucila May Dalope.
I am Kristen Join B. Hernandez.
I am Anta Grace B. Berzosa.
And we are the future educators.
The professional learning of teachers is an ongoing process of knowledge building and skill development in effective teaching practice. In the context of a diverse society, it is the process through which teachers in high minority schools master both content and diverse student pedagogy. Teachers' actions will be determined to a large extent by the depth of their pedagogical content knowledge, making this an essential component of their ongoing learning. Activity 1 is in line with the Domain 1 of the Philippine Professional Standards for Teachers or the PPST, which is about content, knowledge, and pedagogy. Domain 1 recognizes the importance of teachers' mastery of content knowledge and its interconnectedness within and across curriculum areas, as coupled with a sound and critical understanding of the application of theories and principles of teaching and learning. In addition, this domain encompasses teachers' ability to apply developmentally appropriate and meaningful pedagogy grounded on content, knowledge, and current research.
In this activity, we put into practice the theories that we have learned by preparing an action plan that serve as our guide and frame of reference in doing classroom-based action research or CBAR. Classroom-based action research or CBAR typically involves teachers conducting collaborative, evidence-based investigations into their own classroom routines and relationships with a view to understanding and improving the quality and justice of practices in the classroom. As teachers, conducting action research is an advocacy since the primary purpose of it is to improve school practices and solve classroom-based teaching and learning-related issues to find applicable ways and means to address existing or present issues that usually bother practitioners' execution of their job.
Based from the class observation, we chose specific challenges that were present in the context of learning environment and that are necessary to be addressed and need an immediate solution or attention. In choosing the class, we took into consideration their distinct characteristics and attributes which will be suitable for developing an effective classroom-based action research. The chosen scenario served as our springboard in writing our SBAR. Our chosen topic is entitled Action Research in Game-Based Learning, the Impact of Educational Games in Increasing Students' Academic Motivation. In the preliminaries, we will be including the approval sheet, the acknowledgement section, table of contents, and the abstract, which we will provide a concise summary of the entire work, providing an overview of the main points, objectives, methodology, results, and conclusions.
The introduction provides an overview of our action paper on the subject of the impact of educational games on the increasing students' academic motivation, as well as the background of the study, the topic, and objectives. The body of our research includes the statement of the problem and the significance of the study. Through observing the conditions inside the classroom, we identify the problems and potential causes in order to determine what kind of problem we might need to address in our action research in response to observed challenges within the classroom, particularly regarding the allocated time for educational games and the concerns about students' motivation. Several alternative solutions can be explored. Diversification of educational games, incorporating various formats to cater to different learning styles, may enhance overall participation and interest.
The main purpose of this research is to investigate and identify the impact of educational games on students' academic motivation, develop a teacher training program focused on enhancing educators' proficiency in utilizing educational games effectively in the classroom, and evaluate the impact of incorporating educational games into the curriculum by quantitatively analyzing pre- and post-academic performance data. In order to achieve these goals, interventions will be created by the researchers and tested on the intended subjects. The time target
range for completing this plan is around 2 weeks. The target participants of this study are the students in grade 5 of Alingan Banaban Elementary School.
The collected data will be arranged, tabulated, and statistically analyzed to help with understanding. The data will be displayed as table or figures with explanation and interpretations. We will provide our interpretation of the results from the data presentation, interpretation in the findings, conclusion, and suggestions section. We will draw conclusions based on our examination of the data and the suggestions we have provided. Lastly, the recommendations will set and outline the steps that researcher in the future should follow in light as a result of our study. The final section of our action research is included in the reflection. The list of books and other sources we consulted while writing our research paper or the bibliography. The appendices and the curriculum detail will also be included.
The process of engaging in a classroom-based action research project has been transformative in multiple levels. As a group, the journey of accomplishing this activity in general and the meticulous crafting of each part, from the introduction to problem identification, generation of alternative solutions, and the plan of action, has been nothing short of transformative. The adjective transformative captures the depth of our experience. This endeavor hasn't merely been a series of steps or projects. It's been a journey that reshaped our perceptions, our teamwork, and our approach to education. Our views have been profoundly changed by our group's investigation into the complexities of every stage of the study, from comprehending the basic problems in the classroom to creating efficient action plans. The word transformative perfectly captures the deep influence this experience has had on us collectively, both in completing the overall task and in developing the particular elements of our action research project that will be conducted in the classroom. It has changed not just how we think about the topic, but also how we view teamwork, creativity, and the value of group effort.
It is also quite challenging since this is our first time conducting action research. We always anticipated that the experience would be difficult, and it is. It was difficult in that the instructions for creating an action plan are unclear. We struggled to decide what to put in each given part. Each person received a portion to work on. The components were then combined to create a comprehensive plan, as although it could be difficult to work on every task assigned to us since we don't know what to do. In the end, our group was able to come up with an action plan thanks to teamwork and a sense of responsibility. It is challenging but also meaningful in many ways. Working towards accomplishing a goal provides a sense of meaning, which we believe that when we choose goals that are beneficial not just for us but also for many, we tend to experience those as more meaningful. As we accomplish our activity, we know that the results of our action plan will benefit students and teachers. The process of accomplishing our activity helps us reflect on our experience and construct an action plan with a view to tackling problems or improving situations that we may find difficult. This journey has not just enriched our academic pursuits, but has also left an indelible mark on our personal and collective growth.
We, the group, I believe that our whole experience in this activity will have significant meaning to teaching endeavor and most importantly to our development as a person.